what is currently happening in Edo State now. This one is not before. This one is what is currently happening in Edo State now. As I'm talking to you, this is the present condition of Edo State. They have turned this peaceful protest to something else. Please, Buhari, come outside and address your people. Please, before this thing turn into a revolution. We don't want that. Please address our Edo youth. This is not what we bargained for. This is not the peaceful protest that we signed for. Please, Edo youth are taking it to something else. Please, Buhari, answer your people. Hey, please, after people are dying, people are dying.
Yeah, come out. Freedom.
I think I let you know watch the video. As I did here, so my heart it pain me. In fact, I don't know if I want to say. I think I let you know watch the video.
The prisoner is coming out from the prison. Buhari must go right now. He must go. The prisoner should call out. We need the prisoner. Come on. Yeah, call out. All the prisoners to come out. Yes, we need freedom. Yeah, come out. Freedom.
Yeah, freedom.
La moto. No be moto, na gun. They are shooting, you can imagine. They are shooting the prisoners. Hey! We not agree. Look at. They are shooting. Everybody should come out, they are shooting. More rush that guy now. More rush that guy. More rush out with that tooth. Hey! Let's rush him. More rush out. You want shoot? They shoot direct. They shoot direct. Now direct they shoot. We not agree. We must release the people in this prison yard. More go on with that too. Huh? They shoot. Oh yeah, I'm going to go pursue her, yes. We now agree. Freedom for the prisoner. Freedom. Yes, freedom. We now agree. Let us shoot. Nobody fast. Freedom. We need freedom. Prisoner should release. Come on. God bless you now. Yes, so. Don't let come outside. A trace. Buhari must go. Everybody should come back. No, come back. Come back. How many they want to kill? They don't kill everybody. Go back. They don't kill anybody. Yeah, prisoners don't come out. We need freedom. We don't release who we want to release. Come on. May they come because of it. We Yes, correct. The guy is happy. Yeah. Release freedom. Yes. From real good. Go the first. Oko prison, abi. Go the first first with this.